case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1985 case of chemical manufacturers Asin v. Natural Resources Defense Council, Inc., the U.S. Supreme Court focused on whether the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, had the authority to grant variances from effluent limitations on toxic pollutants under the Clean Water Act. The Natural Resources Defense Council, NRDC, argued that such variances, known as fundamentally different factor, FDF variances, were prohibited by the Act, while the EPA and Chemical Manufacturers Association, CMA, disagreed. The Clean Water Act aims to control water pollution and requires direct and indirect dischargers to comply with effluent limitations and technology-based requirements. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled in favor of the EPA, asserting that they have the power to issue FDF variances for toxic pollutants as long as their interpretation aligns with Congress's intent and is a reasonable interpretation of the law. They held that Section 301(1) of the Clean Water Act did not prohibit FDF variances, and that they serve as a means of refining standards for indirect dischargers. The court deferred to the EPA's interpretation of the FDF variance provision as long as it was consistent with Congress's intent and was a rational interpretation of the statute.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.